Today I will be talking about the NAF track certification. The requirements are 4 NAF credits, an internship, and the base certification. NAF stands for National Academy Foundation. NAF classes help you get ready for your career, and they are called CTE classes, which stands for Career and Technical Education. Some of the academies we have are Biomedical, Engineering, Information Technology, Finance and Business, and Hospitality. There are many interesting academies, but we will be talking about the Biomedical Academy. The course curriculum is based off of Project Lead the Way, also known as PLTW. For the Biomedical Academy, each class counts as 2 NAF credits, so once you have completed 2 classes, you have met one of the requirements already. Next, in order to get the NAF track certification, you need an internship. An internship can only be done after you complete 4 NAF credits. You can do it during your junior or senior year in high school. It is also a paid internship, which makes it more appealing. The final requirement is to pass the base certification. The base certification is worth 3 college credits, and you need an 80% or higher to pass. You can also try more than once if you don't pass the first time.